आपको अंग्रेज़ी बोलने बिल्कुल नहीं आती, पर आप अंग्रेज़ी बोलना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आप एक बिगिनर हैं और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप अंग्रेज़ी नहीं बोल पाएंगे। जब आप दूसरों को देखते हैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलते हुए तो आपको लगता है कि अंग्रेज़ी बोलना बहुत टफ है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। माय नेम इज़ अनुपा माथुर and you are watching Anushree English channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain each and everything, like how you can start speaking this language, how you can make this language very easy. If you are a beginner, then don't worry, because even a beginner can speak this language. Only you have to follow some rule and regulations, means you have to follow some tips, and definitely you will see like from day one you are capable of speaking this language. So friends, here what I want to say, start your English learning journey with simple sentences like verb to be, using is, am, are, was, were, will, possession like has, have, had. Okay, so start using verb to be in your conversation. Don't think like you are not speaking very long sentences. Okay, think like you have just started your English learning journey and you wanted to learn this language, then just have patience and start this journey. Okay, so first of all you need to focus on non-action sentences. Don't focus on action sentences first of all, because if you focus on action sentences first of all, then you need to read like tense, and there is a large chapter in tense like present, past and future. You will have to read. But if you start your English learning journey with non-action sentences, then it will be very easy for you. You will never get bored while learning this language. You will feel very comfortable and you will enjoy this journey. Okay, so the thing which we enjoy doing, definitely we can get success in that thing. So you have to enjoy this journey. Don't force at yourself. Just enjoy this journey and begin this journey. So first of all, what you need to do, like speak in your sentences is, am, are, was, were. Whomever you are meeting or with your family members, don't think like what others are thinking of you, like they are making fun of you or not. Don't focus on that. Just focus on your goal. First of all, you need to keep 3 things in your mind before starting your journey, like PDF. Okay, PDF formula you have to focus on, like patience. D stand for determination, and F focus, means you have to keep patience with yourself. Like if you have started your learning English journey, so definitely one day you will start speaking this language. And D determined, whatever may happen, you have to be very determined, like yes, you will learn this language. Okay, no matter what others are speaking about you, you have to be very determined and you will learn this language. And PDF, F focus, always focus towards your goal, like what your goal is. Your goal is to speak this language, to learn this language, so always focus on your goal. Okay, so let's start like how we can practice of English speaking even we are a beginner. Okay, you have to speak this way, I am a student. When you are practicing of English speaking, then you have to speak in all forms, like simple, negative, interrogative, negative. Okay, so just see this example. Am I a student? I'm not a student. I am a student. Why am I a student? Why am not a student? Okay, he is a student. He is not a student. Is he a student? Why is he a student? Why is he not a student? So you have to speak in all tenses, like present, past and future. In present, I'm a student. Okay, in past, I was a student. In future, I will be a student. So something like that, you have to speak multiple sentences, like he is a professor. He is not a professor. Is he a professor? Why is he a professor? Why is he not a professor? He was a professor. He was not a professor. Was he a professor? Why was he a professor? In future, he will be a teacher. He will not be a teacher. Will he be a teacher? Why will be he a teacher? So something like that you have to practice of your English speaking. And friends, always keep in your mind like you are a beginner, so don't think of others like they are speaking good English, they are speaking mind-blowing English. Friends, you have just started your learning English journey. Always remember that the scholar who speaks very good English, once they are beginners. Okay, so you have just started your learning journey. Always keep motivating yourself like I can, I will, and never get afraid of making mistake, because Mistake is the first step of learning this language, of learning any skill. So far as I have considered, like mistake is the first step. The one who learns something, the one who takes action, they make mistake. The one who always keep thinking like when they will get perfection they will start speaking, so how will they make mistake? They will never make mistake, and they will be on the same place as they are earlier. So you are the better than those who are thinking to speak good English. You have just started your learning English journey, so just keep moving forward, okay, and just keep practicing of your English speaking using is, am, are, was, verb, will be, okay, and in possession try to speak some sentences like आपके पास क्या है, आपके पास क्या था, आपके पास क्या होगा, okay. Don't think this type of sentence. आपको इस तरह के वाक्य आपको हिंदी में ना बोल के बल्कि इंग्लिश में बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए. मतलब मेरे पास एक कार है, आई हैव अ कार. मेरे पास एक कार थी, अर्लियर आई हैड अ कार. मेरे पास एक कार होगी, तो आई विल have a car. Means you have to practice of speaking. And one more thing you can do, like you can practice of writing, because in writing we take time, okay, we take time while thinking and writing. So just create a habit of writing as well. And every day you have to follow 3 activities like listening, reading and speaking, okay. So when you frame sentences, it's okay, like you are framing sentence and you are trying to speak, but friends, along with that you have to listen some English content. Why? Because our environment is not English, our environment is Hindi. Everybody around us speaks in Hindi, okay. Whenever we watch something, we just watch in Hindi, we speak in Hindi, watch in Hindi, read in Hindi. So you have to change your content, like just choose English content so that you could get English content in your mind, English ideas in your mind. That's why I'm telling you, just switch to English content, okay. Whatever you are listening, reading and watching, try to listen, read and watch in English, and it will be very fruitful for you. Actually, if I talk about me, earlier I had not idea, this type of idea, like for learning English language and speaking I need to listen. So I did not listen. I only used to read books. I'm very habituated to reading books, okay. So and I never listened, but one day I got to know like listening really impacts a lot. Whatever we are listening, we just start speaking with the passage of time. So that's why I'm telling you, if you are not in the habit of listening English content, just try to create this habit to listen English content. When you are listening English content in a large amount, definitely you will get more ideas to speak this language. So just listen English content, read English content and speak as much as it is possible, because speaking is the most important part of learning English language. If you are listening, reading and if you are not doing your speaking activity, then you will gain nothing. No activity is going to work for you. Speaking activity is a wonderful activity, and anyhow you have to follow this activity, even if it is only for 10 minutes, but you have to speak. So just keep listening, reading and as well as you have to do your speaking practice. And friends, one more thing I would like to tell you, that never get demotivated yourself. Always keep motivating, like I can, I will, I can, I will, and never get afraid of making mistakes, okay. And I would say at last, like just take action. Don't think like you want to learn this language, you want to speak this language. Just take action, because action is the first step, okay. When you take action, you will do the things regularly, and by doing the things regularly you will get experience, and experience actually gives you confidence. So for speaking English language very confidently and very fluently, you need to work, and that work is speaking, reading, writing and listening. So per day you have to do all these kinds of activity. Anyone who speaks good English, if I talk about me, if I speak good English, I'm not really speaking like that much good, but yes, I know that how to communicate with others, how to interact in English with others, okay. I have that capacity, like I can talk to anyone in English language. So if you want to talk in English language, then just start your English learning journey with simple sentences. And friends, if you feel like yes, now you are comfortable while speaking simple sentences, then you can practice in tense, like present, past and future. In present you have to practice like what's your habit, daily routine, you will speak in present and definite. And in past and definite, like what did you do in your past, like about your past incident you can talk about while using past and definite. And in future you will talk about your future planning. So that's all what I wanted to say. Just keep practicing and keep moving forward and keep learning this language. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.